Get ready to tap into the fun. Welcome, fellow travelers, to our video on Tapu Tapu. It's the cash-free system at Universal Volcano Bay. So let's get started. You have to download the app, the Universal's official app, and in there you would create an account. After you create an account, then you would check out the wallet icon. Now, and with that icon, then you will be prompted to enter your credit card information, and it will be securely stored in your Tapu Tapu. Now, once you assign your credit card in the Tapu Tapu, it's time to link your travel party's Volcano Bay tickets. You can do this by scanning the barcodes of each person that's in your traveling party, and it will automatically link it to your Tapu Tapu. This way you can easily make purchases for your entire party using one wristband. Now that your Tapu Tapu is all set, it's time to create a pin, which adds an additional security layer. Now, one of the coolest things about having this Tapu Tapu, that you can use it on water rides here at the park. Instead of waiting in lines like you do at other parks, you just tap it, come back, since you're in a virtual queue. And here's the fun. There are places throughout the park where you could squirt riders and take pictures to catch those special moments, or even see a hidden gem. And there you have it. With Tapu Tapu, you can make the most of your time here at Universal Studios Volcano Bay and have a blast while doing it. So what are you waiting for? Contact me via email located in the description below, so that I can help you have this wonderful adventure.